Now, in a major embarrassment to the Tamil Nadu police, the Madras High Court has quashed 173 FIRs registered against anti-Sterlite protesters in Tuticorin. The police shot dead 13 people as they opened fire against the protesters who were demanding permanent closure of the Sterlite Copper plant in May. In many FIRs, police had included several thousand unnamed people, which the court has observed has been an abuse of power. Sam Daniel, my colleague, is now joining us for more on this. Sam, so the court, of course, coming down heavily there on the Tamil Nadu police, also saying, well, treat all these FIRs as one.
That's right. The court has quashed all the 173 individual FIRs and has directed the police by Ravi to treat them as one FIR. If required, the investigation officer can get the statements or affidavits from individuals who they think have to be added. But in this case, police had included unnamed more than 5,000 unnamed people in several FIRs, and this way the court found it's an abuse of law, because any number of people in Tuticorin, in fact all the people in Tuticorin, could be implicated this way. The petitioner had sought this, saying that this leads to a major harassment, because if someone is not able to appear in court, he or she may have to produce hundreds of documents under these separate FIRs. And earlier the court had directed, the government had transferred this probe to the CBCID. 13 people lost their lives in police firing on May 22nd, when more than 1 lakh people had gathered outside the Tuticorin collectorate demanding the permanent closure of the Sterlite copper smelting plant. And at that time, police had opened fire. Visuals showed snipers taking positions and targeting selected local leaders, and many innocent participants too fell dead. And the police and the Tamil Nadu government at that point justified police action, saying that many anti-social elements had infiltrated and they had to open fire for bringing the situation under control. So at the moment, the probe is under the CBCID, but certainly this has come as a huge embarrassment and a relief for many individuals who felt the government is unfairly targeting them instead of a fair probe.